Whenever you're installing a new gasket or replacing your heads or putting back old heads, you'll want to clean up all your surfaces. So for this is my passenger bank. I need to clean up all this residue from my old gasket before I put the headers back on. Same with this intake side. I need to clean up all this residue before I put the new gaskets in. I'm just using some PB Blaster as my lubricant on here, and a nylon 240 grit wheel from Harbor Freight.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now that side's all cleaned up, I can move on to my intake side.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands.
Always make sure to clean up both sides of what you're applying to the vehicle with new gaskets.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying.
I'm not too concerned about these because it's just for the valve cover gasket. But you do want to go through it and clean up the surface and make sure that your gasket can seal nicely. Don't want to be having any oil leaks down the side of your block that are hard to trace. And I'm just going to use some brake cleaner to spray in here real quick and use an air compressor to blow out all the contaminants and brake cleaner and everything. Make sure everything's clean and ready to go back together. Your bolt holes when you're doing this as well. Alright, now that both sides are cleaned up, I'm going to start installing my new but super cheap gasket.
From London to Taiwan, I sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town.
There's a learning curve.